You already know what time it is. I got this cheap IPL machine for my beard, honey, because I'm just sick and tired of this thing. Like, I always had one. Like, it didn't come with age for me. I saw the first hair on my chin when I was 18. And it don't really bother me, but now that I'm getting older, I feel like it's a lot more coming in and I'm over it. So I bought this on Amazon for $30, and I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me and let y'all know how it works and if it's worth the buy. Now, this was probably the cheapest one that I came across on Amazon, and I figured I would try a cheaper one first and then move it on up to the more expensive one, you know, if I feel like it works. Because you know the at-home version sometimes, child, you get this stuff home and you be coming up short. It don't even be working. So I just plug this in. I'm gonna plug this in. And it's a super easy process. Really, all you do is, of course, you shave. I say you want to freshly shave before, like, shave right before you do it. I did mine already. And I'll mark my spots where mine is at. I don't know if y'all can see that. But I had to mark it so I know exactly where I'm going at with this thing. And see, when you plug it in, it says off. Now, this is the power button, and this is the trigger to make the laser come out, which I think it's an automatic, a way that you can automatically start it or something like that. But I meant like make it like snap, snap, snap versus pressing the button yourself. But I haven't quite got to that point yet. But I shaved my Sunni and it's ready for action. So now all I gotta do is put my motherfucking MIB shades on. I look like Blade in these. I look like a damn fool. But we will turn this on. Now when you turn it on, you can hear like a little fan going. Let me pull this closer so y'all can hear. And it has settings on here, which if you press the power button, it makes the strength go up higher. I think it goes up to 5, but I done seen people burn their skin off, so we ain't even doing that. We gonna keep it on 1. So what you do, all you do is you just put it in the spot where you want it to go, and then you just pull the trigger. Boom. And you're gonna hear something, and then you're gonna feel something. And then that's about it. Like, and then I guess you just gotta wait for the magic to happen. Now, I did try this previously, but this is gonna be my second time using this, so here we go. I can't even see. I'm gonna have to pull my MIBs up for a second. All right, so. Whoa! I made a mistake and pressed the damn button before I get it on. All right, so this is where I wanted at. I had to look in the mirror and flip my MIBs down, ready for action. Woo! Let's see if we can make this do a constant trigger. I'm gonna hold the button down and see what happens. Nothing. Okay, sis. We just gonna press the button. All right, let me pull it up again. Oh, shit. Oh, it do come out. I guess it must come out when you put it to your skin. All right, now, y'all. God damn it. I forgot my damn shades. I didn't know it was gonna come out. Okay, so I just turned it off because I pressed the button again. I feel more comfortable. I feel more comfortable pressing the button myself. I ain't got time. All right. Let me look over here on this side. It's like you can feel the heat, but it don't hurt. Let me look again. Pull it on down. I'm gonna do it in this spot one more time. It do just feel like a little, like, you know how you just throw a firecracker and it just go snap? Like, it's so quick that, like, you can feel something. It feel like somebody, like a baby, like, plucking you. Like, if they could do it real good. Like, psh, and then it'd be like a little bit of heat. And it'd be a little bit of air. But for the most part, it does not hurt, if that's what people are assuming that it does. So that's pretty much it for my beard today. If you want to follow my beard journey, go on here and click that button, and I'll see y'all on my update. Now, I don't know how many times I'm supposed to do this because I've been getting mixed reviews, so let me know in the comments. I've been getting mixed signals. Now, some people I see, they be doing it 3-4 times a week, 3 times a week. Some people say they do it every other week. Some people say they do it once a week. So if you have one of these IPL machines, how often did you use yours? Because like I said, I'm not trying to wake up to be a no burn victim. Like, I'm so sorry. I can't deal because I'm just have a nervous breakdown. But y'all let me know down there, and I'll see y'all in my next video. These glasses look so stupid.